Hello guys, let's learn some colors name. Yellow color, pink color, brown color, dark blue color, sky blue color, orange color, dark green color, purple color, black color, red color, violet color, light green color. Today we are trying to learn some alphabets. A, B, C, D. A for animals. B for butterfly. C for cherry. D for door. E for eggplant. F for fan. G for gun. H for horse. I for iron. J for jellyfish. K for kids. L for lion. M for mango. N for nuts. O for ox. P for pencil. Q for question. R for rainbow. S for sky. T for tree. U for university. V for vanilla. W for window. X for Xerox. Y for yak. Z for zoo. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next videos. Bye bye. Hello guys. Let's learn some colors name. Dark blue color, sky blue color, yellow color, red color, green color, pink color, violet color, teal color, orange color, black color, maroon color, brown color. Today we will try to learn some alphabets and numbers. A for avocado. B for box. C for caramel. D for door. E for egg. F for fish. G for goat. H for hand. I for ink. J for jelly. K for king. L. L for lotus. M. M for moon. N. N for nest. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. Number 6. Number 7. Number 8. Number 9. Number 10. Number 11. Number 12. Number 13. Number 14. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. O. O for ox. P. P for pen. Q. Q for queen. R. R for ring. S. S for sheep. T. T for teacher. U. U for unicorn. V. V for van. W. W for window. X. X for X-ray. Y. Y for yolk. Z. Z for zebra. Number 15. Number 16. Number 17. Number 18. Number 19. Number 20. Number 21. Number 22. Number 23. Number 24. Number 25. Number 26. O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next videos.